For our number 2 morning basket this week, we will be doing an activity on Seesaw. First, get your iPad and log into Seesaw. Then, click on the Activities light bulb. After you've clicked on the Activities light bulb, find the Sprinkle Kindness assignment and click the green Add button. The directions for our Sprinkle Kindness assignment is right up here at the top. It says that we need to think about ways to sprinkle kindness. Then click on the Draw tool and draw some icing on your donut. Click on the T and add your kindness sprinkles to your donut. So I'm going to click on the Draw button and I'm going to choose pink icing. Then I'm going to use my drawing tool to draw some icing on my donut. Don't cover your whole donut or it won't look like a donut anymore. Now it's time to add our kindness sprinkles. Click on the label button and type a way that you can be kind to others, like saying thank you. Then you can click and drag it to somewhere on your donut. These are your sprinkles. Click again to create another text box. Holding the door. Then move that to where you'd like it on your donut. You need to have 5 kindness sprinkles. When you're done, click the green the green check mark, then click it again, and then post it to the red fun folder for me to approve. When you're finished, you can get out your books and read.